Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, December 20th, 2022. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe. It actually helps the channel quite a bit. And also let your friends and family know where you get your favorite weather information from. And also, if you're interested in more detailed analysis on the upcoming Arctic cold front that's moving through the region, what to expect with La Nina weakening, and also answering your questions whenever you have them, definitely check out the premium consulting membership, as that's $80 a year or $11 a month, and it's also a great gift for Hanukkah and Christmas and whatever other holiday that might be celebrated right now around this time of year. It's getting kind of large, which I enjoy personally because you never have enough feasts, right? So let's talk about the current conditions. Right now, pretty tranquil. A little breezy out there. Winds from the west-northwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour, at times gusting up to 15 to 20 miles per hour out towards the coast. Temperatures range from the mid to upper 20s over the far northern interior, lower to mid 30s in a lot of your suburbs, upper 20s to lower 30s around the New York City metro. So as you can see, it is pretty chilly out there. Your warm spot is out towards the east side of Long Island, where temperatures are in the mid 30s. Taking a look at our radar and surface map from WeatherTap. High pressure is in control over the region. We have this little weak trough that's dropping through, but not really producing much in the way of any impacts, aside from some scattered clouds. This precipitation will pretty much dry up and collapse as it's moving in towards the high pressure system. And this cold front will move through later on, not really have much of an impact, but just reinforce the cold air that is currently in place over the region and allow temperatures to really plummet by tomorrow morning, with low temperatures unfortunately in the single digits. So not exactly going to be very pretty out there. Taking a look at our infrared satellite picture. Pretty much not much going on right now. There is our cold front that's moving through. This is a disturbance in the subtropical jet stream. It is not going to have time to interact with this cold front, so that's one storm threat that is missed and suppressed to the south. Here's our next storm threat. Well, this is going to be the powerful Arctic cold front and the powerful upper level low that's going to set up in the Great Lakes. This down here is another disturbance in the subtropical jet stream. Unfortunately, the timing is off. The position of the ridges and troughs in this 500 millibar pattern are off by just a little bit. And so as a result, no, we're not going to see a major winter storm on the East Coast, but we are going to have some pretty significant impacts on Thursday and Friday with rain, strong winds, and yeah, maybe even a little bit of snow. Not a lot, but maybe some snow in the air. So let's dive into this forecast and discuss that threat. For today, high pressure is in control with scattered cloud cover. A cold front will move through in the evening. No precipitation is expected. Look for high temperatures today in the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior and mid to upper 30s along the coast. For tonight into tomorrow morning, high pressure settles right over the region, allowing clear skies, light winds. It's going to enhance your radiational cooling and allow your temperatures to plummet into the single digits to mid-teens over the interior and upper teens to lower 20s in your suburbs, mid to upper 20s in your urban areas. By tomorrow afternoon, high pressure will start to give way with scattered cloud cover expected. Look for high temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 30s. Now on Thursday, our coastal low starts to approach, and on Thursday morning, the high pressure gives way. Look for clouds to increase, precipitation invading along the coastal plain. If you don't blink, you might see a few snowflakes and sleet before it rapidly changes over to rain under easterly wind and temperatures steadily rising. Over the interior, a little bit longer period for snow, sleet, and some freezing rain. So locations like around Allentown, Scranton, locations around the Hudson River Valley, northwestern New Jersey. There will be a short period of snow, sleet, and freezing rain. Not expecting much in the way of accumulation out of this, but definitely be aware of some slick roadways. Could pick up an inch or two over the Poconos and Catskills, the highest elevations above 1,000 feet, but mostly on cold surfaces, and then temperatures steadily rise. Look for high temperatures, and this is going to be towards midnight in the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior and upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. Now on Friday, Your high temperatures will be in the early morning hours. We're talking about 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. And that's where temperatures will range from the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. There was a chance of maybe pushing 60 degrees, but that's losing support in the model guide. So we're going to stay pretty much in the 50s in this scenario. And that's going to be the warmest part of your day while you're sleeping. Okay, so periods of rain can be expected, and we're going to get a little bit of break in the morning hours, right around rush hour. And then here comes our Arctic cold front. And this is going to come in like a freight train. There is potential here for some very strong wind gusts with this cold front possibly pushing over 40 miles per hour. Periods of heavy rain mixing over to snow before ending. Why? Well, temperatures will be crashing through the 50s, the 40s, the 30s, and into the 20s, and possibly dropping as fast as 30 degrees in a span of just a few hours. So this is going to be a real shock to the system. When you go into work on Friday, barely need a coat. When you leave from work, you'll think that you walked into an ice box, okay? It is going to be freezing by the time you get to about 5 p.m. where temperatures are going to be in the 20s and teens with any lingering moisture on the ground flash freezing. So you're going to have to definitely watch out for some slick roadways, some slick sidewalks. You want to put some treatment down because of that threat. And because of the moisture lingering in the atmosphere, do not be surprised if there's a few lingering snow showers hanging around. By Saturday morning, temperatures will be down into the single digits to mid-teens over the northern interior, upper teens to lower 20s along the coast. There'll be a pretty strong lake effect snow machine going over Lake Ontario and Lake Erie. Some of those snow showers will be capable of breaking off and dropping south through the region, so don't be surprised if there's a few flurries on Saturday, Christmas Eve. So there's your chance for a few snowflakes here and there. But again, I'm not really expecting much in the way of accumulation out of this. But temperatures will be bone-chilling cold with high temperatures Saturday afternoon in the mid to upper teens over the interior, lower to mid-20s along the coast. On Sunday, Christmas Day, look for scattered cloud cover. Again, can't rule out a flurry or two, especially around the Poconos and Catskills. Look for low temperatures to range from the single digits to mid-teens over the interior, lower to mid-teens along the coast. High temperatures won't be much better. We're looking at upper teens to lower 20s over the interior, lower to mid-20s along the coast. On Monday, high pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover, tranquil conditions. Look for low temperatures in the single digits to mid-teens over the interior, mid to upper teens along the coast. High temperatures in the lower to mid-20s over the interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. And then on Tuesday, a cold front will be approaching the region with some scattered rain and snow showers. Look for low temperatures to range from the lower to mid-20s over the interior, mid-20s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid-30s over the interior, upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. That is the forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.